Hi there. I hope you are having a great day today, and welcome back to my new video. On this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install iOS 17 on any Android devices. In order to make sure that the iOS is run on Android, the user needs to make sure that the best processes are followed. There are a number of programs that can be used to get the work done in this regard, but I will show you a process that is too easy to follow. It is therefore advised to make sure that the best outcome is generated by following the steps that are as under. First of all, please install iOS 17 Launcher. You can find it on Play Store. Download and install the app that has been named as Launcher iOS 17. Within the app settings, the click screen is to be enabled iOS 17 Launcher as default launcher. Then set the widget iOS 17 to your Android device. And allow all notification to iOS 17 Launcher. It makes your Android same as like iOS 17 Original. It will also add the widget by tapping home screen like iOS 17. Then move the widget to place it. Then enable lock screen iPhone 14 to add a lock screen iOS 17 to your Android device. You can select iOS 17 lock screen style. Do you like? Set the PIN code for the phone through the same settings. But don't forget to make iOS 17 Launcher as default launcher. Then please lock your Android to check the lock screen of iOS 17. And now, iOS 17 has been successfully enabled. Set the lock screen wallpapers to make sure that the iOS look is completely given to the Android. Please tapping the home screen, you can change the wallpapers, font, widget, and colors like iOS 17 on your Android. The launcher is then to be launched to make sure that the work is completed. This also completes the process in full. This is just an example. You can add more styles in iOS 17 Launcher on your Android. I will insert the link download iOS 17 Launcher on description. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for more update. Thank you.